Hello and welcome everyone to class 7th computer class. Today in this video we are going to study about chapter 6, that is email. So before starting this chapter I would like to tell you that I would like to elaborate the word email. What actually email full form is. It's known as, in a short form it's known as email, but its full name is what? Its full name is electronic mail. So let me tell you that what does this email does in our life. So with the small story that is written in your book, I would like to tell that what this story tells, and with this story you can guess about what this email actually does. So in this story there is a boy named Rohan and there is a girl named Uma, and these boys are making a greeting card by using Microsoft Paint, and they are making this greeting card for their uncle's birthday, and their uncle's name is Sam. Okay, so they made a very beautiful greeting card, and their mummy praised their work, that how beautiful they made the greeting card. But actually the problem is there that their uncle Sam lives in New York, and since they are not known to this feature email, so they think that they cannot show him their greeting card to him because he is not living in India, he is living in New York. So how can they show him their greeting card? So Uma, with a disappointing mood, says that they cannot show him the greeting card, and they can show their greeting card only when he will come to India next month. But their mummy was known to this feature, so she smiled and said that you can show this greeting card within a minute. And with a surprise, children asked that what is the method of the sending this card to him and he can see that. So she reveals that, she answers that there is a feature called email, that is electronic mail, and with this feature you can make your uncle see the beautiful cards that you have made for him. So this is what email. So with the email, as what the story tells, that you can exchange your ideas with whatever person you want to. You can communicate with anyone throughout the world with whom you want to communicate. This is the main and attractive feature of this email. So electronic mail is popularly referred to as an email, and this is the medium by which people exchange their information across the world. And you will be surprised to know that there is a server, a special server made for this feature, and that server is known as email server, and that email server makes you to communicate, as this server accepts the email content, it forward the email contents, and it delivers the message to the user to whom you have sent that mail. So with the help of this email server, this email facility help us to communicate with each other. So how to communicate with email? So there are some points that you want to understand, as well as you want these features so that you can use the email. Okay, so in order to use email, or in order to send a mail, firstly you need to make an email account. So just as in a class you have your name, you have a particular roll number, so that by your name and by your particular roll number you are identified in your school. Likewise, email server also identifies you by a special ID that is known as email ID. With that email ID, that email server identify your identity. It verifies that you are the person who is sending the mail, and with this email ID, or you can say with this special ID, you can send a message to whom you want to. So for you it is mandatory to contain an email ID or to make an email account, as well as to the person whom you want to send this mail, that person should also have that email account, so that on that particular ID you can mail or you can message your contents. Okay, as well as after making an account you also need a password, and that password you can make by your own choice, and it's a secret code, as with this password only you will be able to access your email account, and no other person will be able to open your email, or no other person will be able to see your email or send your email. Okay, so on a security purpose, on a security note, you have to make a password on your email account, and that password is a secret code that only you know. Okay, so as we choose our mobile network by choosing various operators like Airtel, Jio, Voda, Idea combination now. So likewise, email accounts are also made on a popular websites. There are websites that are providing service of email, and to them only you can attach or you can open your account on that particular websites. So the popular websites that give the feature of email are Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Rediff Mail, Hotmail, and many more. Okay, so on these websites you can make your personal email account along with the password. Okay, so firstly, when you are going to open your email account, so what you need up is that on whichever website, it's up to your choice, that if you want to make a email account on Google, then you will open gmail.com website. If you want to make your email account on Yahoo, you have to open yahoomail.com. Likewise, if you want to make your email account on Microsoft, then you have to open the website of hotmail.com. So after opening your particular choice of website, you have to sign up on that website. Okay, so when you will open the particular website, the particular page of that website will open, and you will find that there is a small box containing a letter sign up, and on that letter you have to click on. Okay, so when you will click on that sign up, the various details are asked, and you have to fill that details, and after filling all those details, you will make your email account on particular website. Okay, now we will understand that what are the components, what fractions of boxes that email contains. Okay, so we are going to read about this. So mainly on a broad classification, email can be divided into two parts, that is the header and the message body. So what is a header? Header is a area in which you enter the email address of the sender, means to the person who you want to send the message. In the header box you have to insert, or you have to add the email ID of that particular person to whom you want to send the message. As well as there is a subject section in which you can type the words by you can type the words that will tell the reader that what actually this email consists of, or what is the matter of the email. So in a short form, you can describe your content by typing 2, 3 or 4 words in the subject section. And now here comes the another section, that is the attachment. Attachment is what? If along with the text, means along with the message, if you want to add some additional pictures, videos or documents, then you can attach those documents by selecting this attachment section, and you have to provide all your documents, all your pictures or the videos which you want to send the user. Okay, and lastly there is the message body. In the message body you type the main message content, what you want to convey to the sender. So these are the main components of an email, that is the header, attachment and the message body. I think these all points are clear to you all. So lastly, now we will discuss that how we send an email. Okay, so once you created your account, now it's time to send the email to your friends. And what is the process of sending is that when you will open the particular website on which you have made your email account, Then there will be a section of sign in, and in that sign in you will have to enter your email ID as well as you will have to enter your password. After entering all these data, a page will open, and in the left hand side and the top of the page there is a section called composing mail. On that composing mail you will have to click it, and then you will when you will click on composing mail, a page will open in which there is a to field. To means to, I am telling. Okay, so in that to section you have to enter the email ID to which you want to send the message. And if you want to give a carbon copy of the message, then in the CC section you can enter the email ID to whom you want to send the exact carbon copy of the mail which you have sent to that particular sender. And in the subject matter, as I have told that what is the basic matter of your message, in the short form you can describe it in the subject field. Then it finally comes the message body in which you will write the message. And after doing all these things, if you also have an attachment, means if you also have a picture, video or document, then you can attach it by selecting the attachment section. And lastly, there is a send button on which you have to click, and when you will click on the send button, your email will be sent to the particular email address which you have entered in the to section. By this you can send the email to various peoples across the world. So student, this is all for today. We will do the rest of the chapter in the next video. Thank you.